Nancy V. Brown, owner of MB My Hair Salon in Boston, Massachusetts. Today I'm going to show you how to create a quick, easy to do yourself wedding hairstyle. You want to start by curling the hair backwards. And you want to do all the curls away from the face in the opposite direction. So we just curled the hair going backwards in a backward direction. The bangs are incorporated into this style. You could spray a little holding spray to maintain the shape. And you want to spray the hair through so that the curls don't drop. To maintain a softer look, you want to spray the ends with a level 3 holding spray by Tresemme. And that's how to create an easy to do it yourself wedding hairstyle. I'm Nancy V. Brown. You can find me at www.mbmyhair.net. And remember, hair enhances beauty.